Sheila's fell in love with this place, so here we are.
Although Jim had some experience in tree felling,
Dulcie.
a 26-acre hazelnut orchard with over 5,000 trees was a totally new experience with an awful lot to learn.
It's a full-time job, and you always have to do something in the orchard. Pruning, thinning the trees out, taking certain branches out of the trees. Some of these trees are now 35 feet high.
Dulcie the acrobat.
This year it is very,
Dulcie
very dry.
the acrobat is falling off the tree.
Last year it did actually slightly affect the actual production of the nuts.
Yeah, hello.
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 So at 64, and with a
What's
massive
up?
orchard to tend to, Jim certainly
What are you
won't slow
doing?
down anytime soon. And there are plenty of demands
What are you
on
doing?
his time too.
Hello. Hello.
What Sheila's dad, Arthur, with
You gonna say bye bye?
My dad used to live at Mackleton.
What up? What's up?
He suggested to me that
What are you doing?
and Jim actually
Ha 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 ha.
his,
Dulcie laugh. Go ha 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 ha.
so he moved over. He was
Hello. Hello. Hello.
and I would say it's definitely
What's up?
longer than he would have left him.
What's up? What's up?
takes a lot of looking after.
Hello.
Sheila faces the daily challenges
Hello.
of relative.
What's up?
He's always been
Can you say bye bye, Dulcie?
quite dependent on
Bye
me,
bye.
so
You wave.
we're leaving for too long.
Wave bye bye.
See to whatever he needs, you know. But sometimes it can be a little bit and I have to interest. But he knows I love him.
Where's your pretty wings?
It means a lot to Sheila that her father's been able to share her
Where's your
new
pretty wings, Dulcie?
Go.
Later in the series, we're back with Jim as he tackles some
Dulcie,
tricky
oh,
work
look
with
at your
orchard.
potato.
Are you a pretty girl?
I am very pretty.
Hello, baby.
Dulcie turkey.
Are you funny girl? Hello. Hello, hello, hello. You're very vocal. Ruby.
Broad beans, cauliflower, onions, carrots, lots,
Where you going?
tomatoes and courgettes.
Where you going, Ruby?
There's no
Today, Alex is on his way to collect 2 more tickets from a friend's farm.
Have you got something to say? Elvis, no? You're not going to say nothing?
That you have raised yourself, you know everything that the animals eat, and we know that we've given them
You had enough now?
an experience
No?
that they possibly have. Oh my God.
Ruby!
They're tiny.
They might be small, but they're pretty damn quick.
You know I want you. Hey,
Ruby! What are you doing?
how about this, Simon? Go on. Good boy. Hey.
With his 2 piglets chosen, Alex makes a last-minute addition.
Good boy. Slight change of plan. We're going to go for 3.
Scout.
Which being, I suppose, the player.
Get up, put out.
Loaded up with the 3 little
Ruby,
piglets,
step up.
it's time for Alex to head home.
Ruby, step up. Good girl. You're going to get on there with Dulcie. There you go. Step down. Step down. Step down. Go on. Go on.
We've got a she. This is a she with a yellow tag.
Ooh.
And 2 E's.
Come on then. Good girl.
Although I did say to Alex, ask them if they've got a number.
Hello.
I think 3's the perfect number for us.
Hello.
With this being a true family venture, the kids come to help as Alex and Claire introduce
Hello, pretty girl.
their new home.
They're small, but they're bloody heavy.
The last big push now.
All quiet now. You had enough?
I think all pigs should be raised.
Bye-bye.